Handheld cable stripper. Designed for live line working and insulation stripping during power line construction. Enhanced convenience and efficiency. Self-adaptive cable clamp, compatible with 50 square millimeters to 300 square millimeters wire diameters. Precision machined bidirectional lead screw. Ensures smoother and more fluid clamping. Thread-guided groove design at the clamp mouth. Accelerates stripping direction and boosts efficiency. 3-position precision worm gear positioning adapts to various non-standard cables, effortlessly handling conductors with different insulation thicknesses, eliminating tedious blade adjustments. Ergonomic design and high-precision CNC machining. Smoothly driven lead screw, ensures seamless operation. Intermediate stripping for small diameter insulated cables. Intermediate stripping for large diameter insulated cables. Insulated cable end stripping. Zero damage to conductors, clean insulation removal. Choose and who for easier, faster, and more efficient insulated cable stripping.